It's the latest, it's sleek, and it's making headlines. But should you really trust the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox? In today's video, we're diving deep into the truth that automakers don't want you to hear. Stay tuned, because what we uncover might just save you from a costly mistake. When you hear about the 2025 Equinox, it's tempting to get excited. A modern SUV with updated tech, better mileage, and a sleeker design sounds like the perfect package. Or does it? But let's pause for a moment and ask what's hiding beneath that shiny exterior. The Equinox, struggling on a steep hill, contrasted with smoother performances of competitor SUVs. Let's start with performance. Chevrolet promises that the 2025 Equinox is a balanced performer, but drivers are already reporting underwhelming acceleration and disappointing towing capacity. For a vehicle in this price range, you'd expect a bit more oomph under the hood, right? And if you think that's bad, wait until we talk about the fuel efficiency claims, because that's where things get even murkier. But hold on, performance isn't the only red flag. In fact, what we're about to discuss might just make you rethink that test drive entirely. Interior shots of the Equinox, highlighting its touchscreen and tech features. Cut to a frustrated driver pressing buttons on an unresponsive display. In 2025, tech is everything, and Chevrolet seems to know this sort of. That's because many red flags of tech have been marked down since its first public announcement in 2025. Sure, they've packed the Equinox with screens and features, but here's the kicker. Glitches, crashes, and a voice assistant that feels like it's stuck in the 2010s. Ever tried asking your car to play your favorite song and ended up getting directions to the nearest zoo? Yeah, it's like that. And let's not even start on the subscription fees for basic features. Yes, basic features. The same ones other cars offer for free. Now here's where things get serious. Reliability. For years, Chevrolet has been trying to shake off complaints about durability, and unfortunately the 2025 Equinox isn't helping their case. Within 6 months, my Equinox needed multiple repairs, and the warranty, let's just say it didn't cover much. And don't even get me started on resale value, because guess what? That shiny new SUV might depreciate faster than you can say, why didn't I buy something else? But wait, there's one more major issue we haven't touched yet. And if you think reliability and performance are deal breakers, this next point will really seal the deal. Safety. It's what most of us prioritize when choosing a car, especially for our loved ones. And while the 2025 Equinox boasts some advanced safety features, not all that glitters is gold. Certain tests have raised eyebrows about its structural integrity. So while the brochures may highlight shiny safety buzzwords, the real-world performance, let's just say it leaves a lot to be desired. So should you buy the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox? Well, unless you enjoy frequent trips to the mechanic, outdated tech, and questionable safety, the answer is probably a hard no. Unless, of course, you just really love being on a first-name basis with your local tow truck driver. There are better options out there that won't let you down. Stay tuned to our channel for reviews on those. And if you've had an experience with the Equinox, good or bad, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews and tips. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay smart, and happy driving buddies to the future. Let's talk number. On the surface, the Equinox may seem affordable, but factor in maintenance, repairs, and fuel costs, and you'll quickly realize it's anything but budget-friendly. Did you know that over 5 years, the cost of ownership for an Equinox can be significantly higher than many of its competitors? Animated graph comparing costs of the Equinox RV, it's like buying a discount coffee maker that ends up costing you more in filters and repairs. Sometimes you get what you pay for, or in this case, what you didn't pay for. Chevrolet has made bold claims about the Equinox's eco-friendliness. But how true are they? Critics point out that its fuel economy barely competes with hybrid or electric rivals, and its production processes raise questions about sustainability. If you're looking to lower your carbon footprint, there are far better options, ones that truly align with a greener future. Still considering the Equinox? You might want to wait for what we reveal next. A crucial detail most buyers completely overlook: a used car lot filled with older Equinox models alongside depreciation statistics. Here's a sobering fact. The Equinox has one of the steepest depreciation rates in its class. That means when it's time to trade up, you could lose thousands of dollars more than you would with a Toyota or Honda. Imagine buying a new sofa, only to find out it's worth pennies at your next yard sale. This alone should give potential buyers pause. After all, your car is an investment, not a short-lived gadget. Historical footage of Chevrolet's glory days, overlaid with current consumer sentiment, Chevrolet was once a name synonymous with reliability and innovation. So what happened? The Equinox represents a missed opportunity. A car that could have led the pack, but instead falls far behind. Consumers deserve better, and it's time for Chevrolet to listen. So there you have it, the truth about the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. It's a story of potential undone by poor execution. But here's the good news. You have the power to demand better. By choosing smarter alternatives, you send a clear message to manufacturers: quality, safety, and value are non-negotiable. Scenic shots of competitor SUVs driving into the sunset, a family enjoying a road trip. The road ahead is yours to choose. Make it a good on. It's here, the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox, a car that promises innovation and style. But is it really the car you've been waiting for? Or is there a hidden side to this story? Stick around, because what we reveal today might make you think twice before signing that dotted line. Chevrolet claims the new Equinox is the SUV of the future. A sleek design, high-tech features, and a competitive price point. It all sounds amazing, doesn't it? But let's dig deeper. Because, like a polished apple with a rotten core, not everything is as it seems. What's hiding beneath that glossy finish? Buckle up, because we're about to find out. The Equinox, struggling to accelerate on an incline, side by side with smoother performances of competitor vehicles. Now, let's talk performance. Chevrolet boasts that the Equinox is a well-balanced performer, but real-world reviews tell a different story. The underpowered engine struggles with basic acceleration, making highway merging feel like a game of chance. Stock footage of a snail moving slowly with the caption, "Equinox on the fast lane?" and towing? Let's just say if you're planning to haul anything heavier than a weekend picnic basket, you might want to reconsider. If the weekend was a race, touristers would be scared to leave the Plaza Lodge. But wait, there's more. Performance isn't the only area where the Equinox stumbles. What we're about to discuss next might just leave you speechless. The Equinox's dashboard, showing an unresponsive touchscreen, cut to a frustrated driver pressing buttons repeatedly. In a world where technology drives everything, you'd expect a 2025 model to be cutting edge, but the Equinox's tech, it feels more like 2015. The outdated system increasingly is limiting even simpler use. Owners report glitchy displays, outdated interfaces, and, are you ready for this? Features locked behind subscription fees. Why pay a monthly fee for heated seats when you can just wear a jacket? And let's not even mention the voice assistant. You'd be better off asking your toaster for directions. Mechanics working on a visibly worn Equinox. Cut to a customer on the phone, visibly upset. Reliability is where the Equinox really falters. It's no secret that past models have struggled with frequent breakdowns, and sadly the 2025 version continues this legacy. Drivers report recurring issues within just months of ownership. I had to replace the transmission twice in 1 year, and Chevrolet wouldn't cover it under warranty. And speaking of warranties, you'll want to read the fine print, because when the repairs start piling up, your wallet might take a hit bigger than you anticipated. But if you think that's bad, wait until we talk about safety, because this might be the biggest red flag of them all. Crash test footage showing concerning results. Overlay text displays the Equinox's safety ratings. Safety is non-negotiable, yet the 2025 Equinox falls short in critical areas. Side impact tests reveal structural weaknesses that could put passengers at risk. And while advanced safety features are advertised, many of them either fail to perform consistently or are only available in higher trims. Sure, the brochures promise peace of mind, but the reality? Let's just say, it's a wake-up call. Competitor SUVs like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Hyundai Tucson performing on scenic roads. So, what are your options? The Toyota RAV4 offers rock-solid reliability and impressive safety scores. The Honda CR-V delivers exceptional comfort and fuel economy. And if tech is your priority, the Hyundai Tucson offers cutting-edge features without breaking the bank. And the best part? These alternatives hold their value far better, ensuring you make a smart investment for years to come. So, should you buy the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox? Unless you enjoy frequent trips to the mechanic and lackluster performance, the answer is probably not. There are simply better options out there that give you more bang for your buck. Unless, of course, you just love surprises. Expensive ones. What do you think? Have you driven the new Equinox? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for in-depth reviews on the top alternatives, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone shopping for a new car. Remember, an informed decision is always the best decision. Stay safe, stay smart, and happy driving. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox offers a well-rounded package of modern features, blending style, technology, and practicality for a versatile compact SUV. The exterior showcases a refined design with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted lines that exude confidence in aerodynamics. Inside, the Equinox boasts a spacious and comfortable cabin, accommodating up to 5 passengers with premium materials and thoughtful touches. The latest Chevrolet infotainment system, housed on a large touchscreen, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Available features like a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and heated/ventilated seats elevate the driving experience. Advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert, provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Under the hood, the Equinox is powered by an efficient turbocharged engine paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive for enhanced traction. Generous cargo space with fold-flat rear seats makes it ideal for road trips or daily errands. With its balance of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox is well-suited to meet the needs of modern families and adventurers alike. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox also emphasizes convenience, with features like a hands-free power liftgate, making it easy to manage daily life on the go. Enlivenment with the power of the brake reel starts before takeoff and allows for faster and more reliable journey to work. Try on the so-called Mach 1, with the highest speed users being produced in total. Its cabin is equipped with multiple USB ports, ensuring that passengers stay connected and charged during long journeys. For audiophiles, an available premium Bose sound system delivers crisp, immersive audio. The Equinox's refined suspension provides a smooth and quiet ride, while selectable drive modes, including snow and sport, allow for tailored performance based on road conditions or driver preference. For those focused on eco-conscious driving, the turbocharged engine offers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing power, making it ideal for urban commutes or extended highway cruising.